Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. Students, today I bring to you All India Sainik School Entrance Examination previous year question papers. Clear? The question paper is to the date, the exam that was conducted on 7th Feb 2021. Clear? So, and the portion, the subject is English. So, we will solve the question paper that was come to the date, that is 7th Feb 2021. So let's start. Before go ahead, I want to tell you, please download our app to do a structured preparation for All India Sainik School entrance examination for the year 2022-23. Clear? If you want to prepare in a very structured manner, then you can download our app for the preparation. Further, I want to tell you, we have online courses, premium courses, that is we provide the courses in two format. One is pen drive courses, those students who don't have good internet facility, and that is Android courses, internet courses, that is you can download our app, or you can watch our courses through the window platform. Clear? Just open our website and start preparation. What do we prepare? What do we provide through our courses? That is concept based video, topic wise quiz, mixed quizzes, sample papers, previous year papers. We have premium telegram group also. You can join the premium telegram group, because on this group we send daily notification, daily time schedule, daily timetable notification, and you can make your preparation in a schedule, in a disciplined manner. So we have also this, yes, you can see here, this is our courses. This is All India Sainik School, and for 9th class, for 6 standards, for JNVST courses, Jamia courses, RIMC courses, 9 JNVST. So these are our best courses. Our quiz courses also, Sainik School test series, for individual subject test series we also provide. Clear? So you can purchase any quiz for a better preparation. So this is the question paper. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate option. So this is the question from preposition. Clear? This is a question of preposition. The news is all. So what will come? The news is all over the internet. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next, we studied about. The question is belong to the article portion. The study is about the. Option 3 is the correct answer. About the Roman Empire in a school. There was no one else in the room. This is the except. 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 Clear? Except. The except is the correct. Option B is the correct answer. What is the meaning of yes, you have to tell what is the meaning of this except and this except. And I think this is wrong. This is also wrong. What is the meaning of this except? Clear? So the correct answer is EXCEPT. Option B is the correct. Next, rearrangement the sentence. You have to arrange the words to make the sentence grammatically and meaningfully correct. So the son you of it is a formation of jumbling. The sentence, the words are written in a jumbling format. So what will be the you will come first. You must stay out of the sun. The correct sequence should be you must stay out of the sun. So B, portion B will come the first. B. Here is not B, here is not B, here is only B. So the correct answer is option number 3. I immediately salary my want. So the correct order would be I want my salary immediately. I want. A. This is A, E. Clear? Next. So the correct sequence is option B. Next. This is a question related to identify the kind of noun. Disease is a proper noun. Disease is an abstract noun. Disease is a collective noun. Disease is a common noun. So disease is a common noun. Disease is a common noun. Clear? Next. After school, you and. So what is the choose the correct pronoun? Pronoun is you and I. Option number 3 is the correct. It is quite warm. Question tag, it is quite warm. So the question is, the sentence is in present indefinite present form. So the answer will be, so the question tag also, the question tag will be in present form. So it is a positive, the question tag will be negative. So isn't it? It is quite warm, isn't it? Is the correct. Leave your bags at the gate. So identify the type of sentence. The type of sentence is imperative sentence. It is an imperative sentence. Next, near the equator, the sun. The sun. So choose the correct form of the near the, since the sun is a singular. So and it is a universal truth. The sentence is a part of universal truth. So the present indefinite will be used. The correct answer is, near the equator the sun evaporates. Option B is the correct. Choose the correct spelling. The correct spelling is apartment. Apartment, apartment. Option 3 is the correct answer. Today is the, choose the correct adjective. Clear? Adjective are those words which qualify the noun, which provide additional information about the noun. This is the. So the most important. Why most will come? Because most is the superlative degree. So most, this is the most important. The correct answer is option number 4. Next, poets are known to fly in their thoughts. Yes, what is the meaning of to fly? Poets are known to fly. To fly is to spread their views. Spread. So soar is the correct answer. Soar. Next, choose the most appropriate option. Which of the following options is meaning in the meaning of the word exhausted? So this is the option of vocab. Exhausted means very tired. Option 4 is the correct answer. A confectioner is a person who sells sweets. Confectioner. Next, the captain along with their players have been presenting. No, because the captain is singular. Have. Was presenting. No. Has been presenting. No. The captain was present. Option 1 is the correct. Please try to solve these type of question through the option elimination. This is the best way. Choose the word that means the opposite. Mortal. The opposite of mortal is immortal. IMM. 2M will come. IMM ORTL. Immortal. Option B is the correct. Of thief was caught by the police. So a team of thieves was caught by the police. A thief. This is a collective noun. Question belong to collective noun. A team of thieves was caught by the police. Option 3 is the correct answer. It has become his habit to do his homework and then copy it from others. Since he copied the homework from others, so that's why he did not do his homework. So the correct answer is option 4. Option 4 is the correct one. He never. It has become his habit to never do his homework. Next, there were several. So there were several at the course. So several words comes with plural noun. Clear? Plural word. So here woman, WOMEN, woman is the plural. So this is the correct answer. Women's, no. Woman is singular. Women's, nothing. So correct answer is option number 1. To beat around the bush. This is idiom and phrase. So to beat around the bush is to saying something because it is uncomfortable. It is uncomfortable. This is the correct answer. Option number 2 is the correct answer. My father is a bookworm. He. So you have to fill the sentence with correct verb. So this is he. He is a singular subject. So singular subject verb will come in the S form, S or ES form. So he prefers is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. So student, this was the complete solution of the question paper that came in All India Sainik School entrance examination for the exam 7th Feb 2021. If you like our video, then subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and share the video to your friend so that maximum students, maximum people can get the benefit. Clear? Further, if you have any problem, if you have any query, you can call and on these numbers. These are our official numbers. You can contact at these numbers. So with this video, with this solution, I end up my video. Thanks for watching.